So how's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper airplane. I don't know the name of the plane or what to call it. You can call it whatever you want, but it's a simple, quick, easy plane. So here we go. Just get you a piece of paper. Start off by folding it in half. Well, look, you don't have to fold it in half. I like to fold them in half just so I can get a line, a guideline. So we'll start off with that. Again, you can skip this step, you don't have to do it. And you don't have to fold it all the way, just a little bit. I do that so I can get a crease. Anyways, after that, you're going to take both corners, fold them over to the line, like that. And there's one. So there you go, you have it. Take your top right corner, your top left corner, fold them to the center. Should look like that. And you want to take right here across the bottom line and fold the whole top piece over. Just like that. Hold it down right there. Now you want to take the top corners again, both top corners, and fold them pretty close to that tip. Now I'll show you where I fold it when I get it there. And I don't know if you can see that, but I fold it down not quite to the tip. Maybe a quarter of an inch from the tip, maybe. Something about that far, I don't know. You just have to mess around with it and guess a little bit. And then do the same with the other side. Now it should look like that. Just right there, touching each other. Then you want to take this tip sticking down here at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. And just fold it up over, like that, over the two other points. So now it should look like that, right there. Just fold it up over, just like that. And then what you want to do is hold that and take your plane and fold it in half. Line up the edges right there, and then crease it down the middle. Now, of course, you want to take your wings, fold them right down along the bottom of the plane, just like that. And do the same with the other. Crease them, and there you have it. Ready to go. Sometimes this little bottom piece might give you trouble. You can tape it if you want. It should stay. I don't think it will come off. This plane flies pretty good and pretty far and pretty fast. It's not very difficult to master. The nose sometimes gets beat up, and I suppose you could put some tape on that to make that stronger too, but there you have it. Yeah, I don't know. You can call it what you want, like I said, but anyways, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.